Have you ever spent a whole week buried in books, pulling all-nighters, only for your mind to go blank the moment an exam paper stares back at you? You're not alone. It has happened to me too. But you're not doomed to repeat this. Let me introduce you to the Feynman Technique, a strategy that will drastically boost your success rate in learning. This technique was pioneered by Nobel Prize winning physicist Richard Feynman. At its core, the Feynman Technique simplifies the learning process into 4 simple steps that emphasize understanding over rote memorization. Here is how it breaks down. Step 1. Study. The first step is all about immersion. Select a concept you're curious about and dive into learning. Use every resources at your disposal, books, articles, lectures, videos, to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topic. The aim here is to build a solid foundation of a knowledge, setting the stage for deeper exploration and understanding. Step 2. Teach it. Now, take what you have learned and explain it as if you were teaching someone with no prior knowledge of the topic, like a young child. Simplify your explanations, use analogies, and draw from everyday experience. This isn't just about teaching, it's about ensuring you truly understand the concept yourself. If you struggle to simplify, it's a sign to revisit your understanding. Step 3. Review and refine. As you attempt to teach the concept in simple terms, you will inevitably encounter areas where your explanation falters. These stumbling blocks are gold mines for insights. They pinpoint exactly where your understanding is incomplete. Note these gaps and go back to your study materials. Dive deeper into these specific aspects, seeking clearer explanations and better analogies. The goal here is to solidify your grasp on the concept, turning weak points into strengths. Step 4. Simplify and connect. The last step is about refining your explanation to make it even simpler and more connected to real-world examples. After addressing the gaps in your knowledge, revisit your explanation. Can you simplify it further? Can you relate it to everyday experience or commonly used concepts? This process not only deepens your understanding, but also enhances your ability to communicate the concept effectively to others. And that's the Feynman Technique, a straightforward method to deepen your understanding and sharpen your learning skills. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your study habits. Thanks for watching.